Alright, just cut some aluminum stock, little small pieces. I'm not too sure what gauge this is. I'm still new to this shit, but yeah, some clean new stock. Yeah, so just getting off the meal scale and then cleaning it with some simple green, and then from there I'm going to practice doing some runs. I'm also going to bevel my edges with my grinder. So
this way you have all the best leverage and nailing angles available to you. If you built it flat, you're going to be nailing sideways, you're going to have other wall studs to deal with. It's really helpful to build window openings and door openings as a unit by the slide off to your top. Just off the nails. Take the big ones out of the pouch, put the small ones in the pouch.
Die grinder.
I figured out that 2-foot stud wasn't there when I went to nail it off where it's supposed to be, and the nails didn't get anything.
Always start sheeting plywood or any kind of sheeting right from the very corner, and then make sure you flush all the way along.
Like I said, I'm beveling the edges.
The chances are the 4x8 sheet good.
So it kind of feels like you're nailing everything twice. Everything will land to sheet that one sidewall, and you're gonna see why here in just a minute.
Wrap this deck around the spruce tree, and we've got pretty good sized roots. You can actually see there's a root running out right to about where a post would need to be. So I'm not gonna dig posts for the deck. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down a pair of solid 4-inch concrete kind of block pavers, and then a short section of 6x6 post. I won't be damaging the tree roots, because I want the tree to stay where it's at. The very first cabin I built, it was something everybody liked. Whenever anybody was up on the deck, they always thought it was cool to, you know, sit by the tree and grow through the deck.
I'm not sure if you can see that edge beveled.
In the same stage of construction with the deck temporarily being held in place by some scrap 2x. We have a little bit of sand left over from filling back in these post holes. So I'm going to use that as a nice bed, get that tamped down. And I did take the moss off the ground right there with the shovel. All the way around the tree.
All right, we're gonna weld these pieces together. So
Really natural, but it is irregular. And peeling a log is a pretty brainless work. It's just therapeutic.
I wish my sister was here. She always said she liked peeling logs. I'd let her take the job. It's not quite cold enough out to be doing this without sweating.
Well, I dig just a breather for a second.
Let's look at this log and see how straight that cut ended up. This is the flat surface. And I'd say that's good enough by a long shot.
Who needs Home Depot?
You have to be careful in this woods, because right next to every white spruce there's a balsam. Balsam spruce, balsam fir, and all the white spruce is good, rigid, decent wood to use. I wouldn't use balsam for anything. It's really soft, very rock prone. You see it all the time in campgrounds around here. Dead balsams, put on a campfire, and you can hardly make it burn. Because the bark is watertight, they just rot from the inside. Everywhere you look around here, there'll be a white spruce. Right next to it, there'll be a balsam fir. If you don't know the difference, well, one sucks and the other one's pretty good wood.
Now, this log looks like it's going heavy, but it's really not that bad. It's very dry, has no rot, has no clunkiness to it. It's about perfect for what I'm using it for. Now, the framing is 12 foot, outside to outside. Not counting the 2 foot outside, which is the outside framing. So this log is 12 foot.
in, motherfuckers. Alright, now this motherfucker hot as fuck. Okay? Ah, you can see that I'm beginning to dial this motherfucker in, huh? Yeet!